We're gonna go hit some haunted hotspots in Ogden, Utah. And if you're talking about haunted hotspots in Ogden, you gotta go to the Union Station. That's where it all begins. So we'll have to do a little history lesson first. Back in the day, Brigham Young donated some land to the Union Pacific. And the Union Pacific said, woohoo! And they built their headquarters right here in Ogden, Utah. So Ogden was a sleepy little town of about 3,000 people. And then the railroad came and it boomed to about 30,000 people. You couldn't travel across the country by train unless you stopped in Ogden. It became a required stop, the crossroads of the West. And then 25th Street was born. All walks of life came through here. Pretty much there was somebody from every country in the world right here in Ogden. And at one time, the deadliest place in the state was right here in Ogden. For a while, Ogden was also the deadliest place in the nation. That's right, worse than Chicago, worse than New York, right here in Ogden. So we're gonna go check out the Union Station. Let's go look around. It's pretty fun walking around this old building looking for ghosts. There's a lot of creepy little sections. Okay, we're upstairs. This floor's a little creaky. In 1944, a horrible train disaster killed 48 people. One woman thought to have died in the accident is said to roam this hall. She only shows herself to men. But unfortunately, this station is mainly haunted by soldiers that didn't make it home from the war. There was an infirmary here, and lots of them died before they made it home. And of course, the Ogden Cemetery. I'm sure there's plenty of ghosts around here. Florence Louise Grange died of the Spanish flu, but it's said her ghost still haunts here. Come in here at night, flash your lights 3 times, and Flo's supposed to appear. But I wouldn't recommend running around here at night. 1, because it's illegal, and 2, these 4-foot tall sprinkler heads are about groin level, and you don't want to run around at night around here, because the ghost will get you, the cops will get you, or the sprinklers will get you. This is the old Ben Lomond Hotel. This was a notorious spot during the Depression. It was the highest building you could access publicly, and a lot of people fell to their deaths from these windows, which makes this building very haunted. It's not a hotel anymore. Let's see if they'll let us in. This is when my camera freaks out. And we can hear a ringing noise. We'll hear this noise again. Murders, suicides, and mysterious deaths haunt this old hotel. There it is. There's supposed to be some ghosts here in the ballroom too. And again, I wonder what that was. At Ogden High, the first $1 million high school in the nation, students and faculty report hearing footsteps and laughter in the hallways just before dark. And ghosts sometimes rearrange the rooms when nobody's watching. Okay, I saved the best for last. 25th Street. Pretty much this whole street is haunted. There were so many murders and crimes committed along this street. The most deadly street in America at one time. So back in its heyday, the main level of the street was your fronts, your businesses. Above was usually where the prostitution was. And then below was the secret tunnels where they'd smuggle the alcohol and the drugs. Had your speakeasies, opium dens. And if you were having a bad day and you got too drunk in the bar, you might end up going through a trap door and never be seen again. And at minimum, robbed. Probably a big old lump on your head. But I think this building is what finally put an end to the tunnels. The federal building. Can't have a tunnel going in front of a federal building. That's not acceptable. That might have been an entrance to the tunnels. Now we just wait for the sun to go down and the ghosts to come out. Okay, it's almost dark. We are back. 25th Street. Here we come. This is where Al Capone used to stay. So they say during the Prohibition, the bootleggers dug tunnels from the Union Station all the way down 25th Street. All right, we're gonna do one last sweep of 25th Street, see if we can see any ghosts. Hopefully we can flush them out. So I know you can get access into the tunnels here, but from what I heard, it's $500 a pop. Not doing it. Ghosts in there? Let's get rid of this spot. So no luck getting in the tunnels. If I do find a way into the tunnels, we'll be back. But I'm gonna get out of here. We'll see you guys next time. What are you doing? He doesn't care if I'm here. He's all, I got grass. I don't care.
Hi, buddy.